Chandel the academic writing and collaboration activities Hairiba Hiram Ashida NONGMAGI OIBA National Workshop PANGTHOKKHRE Vidya Summit Vidya Bharat Ucha Shiksha Sangsthan Manipur Prant Internal Quality Assurance Cell Amadi United College Lambung Chandel na khusam maduna college ki seminar hall da pangthokiba workshop aduda former minister Dr. R.K. Ranjan Singh chief guest Visva Bharati University ki English ki professor Dr. Tapu Biswas amadi Dr. Nagaland University ki English ki associate professor R. Vasanthan resources person oina amadi Professor Irong Gambir Singh member UGC Northeast na NEP 2020 Implementation Committee Dr. V.D. Chandel former principal United College social activist T.S. Beton amadi Dr. Danny Chara principal United College amadi college ki teaching amadi non-teaching staff sing sarugyaki workshop aduda Southeast Manipur College Komlathabi Lilong Hairiba College Lilong Kha Manipur College Kakching Dhanamanjuri University Imphal Manipur University Kanchipur Naurem Birahari College Imphal United College Lambung Visva Bharati University Santiniketan Amadi Nagaland University Kohima Dagi Research Scholar Humfu Faculty members Amadi Mahiroi Singna Sarugyaduna Technical Session Amasu Pangthokhi Loinana Workshop Sarugyaki Basingda Thoram Loshilakpada Certificate Amamamsu Kushinaki